Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be doing a chalkboard design for you today using two different transfers. Our first one is our In Full Bloom and the other one is our Enjoy the Little Things. Now on the back of every transfer there are instructions, and then there I'm just showing you that we have two different sizes of Chalkology chalk paste now. Now you can use all of our products on several surfaces as you see here. There's wood, whiteboard, pillows, so a lot of different things you can create using Chalk Couture products. So what I'm going to do for you now is show you the processes to create a beautiful design. So I'm getting out my Full Bloom transfer, and I'm not going to be using every piece of this, and this is actually going to be a layering project with this transfer. And I have to tell you, this transfer that they created for our Club Couture of the month, and what Club Couture is, real quick, is every month Chalk Couture comes out with a new transfer, so that if you want to change out your designs each and every month, you absolutely can. So this one is part of that. Now, I went ahead and I fuzzed up my transfer. I applied it to the surface that I'm using where I would like it. And then here I'm using our Coral Chalkology chalk paste. And remember, all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So if you would make a mistake or if you want to change out your design later, you absolutely can do that as long as you have not sealed your project. Now I have to let the flower areas dry before I do the second layer of this transfer. And I can't wait for you to see that. So I'm just using our Enjoy the Little Things, and I'm just using our white Chalkology chalk paste for this. Now, as you can see there, I have a very large squeegee. That is one of our squeegees that we offer at Chalk Couture. We have 3 different sizes of squeegees that you can purchase. So now I'm going to be doing the second layer of the flowers. So once again, just fuzzing up my transfer, and then you just want to line up the bottom part through the screen print area of your transfer. And then once you get that done, I am going to be using our Evergreen Chalkology chalk paste for this project. And you guys, this turned out absolutely beautiful. So if you'd love to learn more about hosting a workshop, this would be an absolutely gorgeous workshop to do in any home, because this could go in your kitchen, your living room, so many different places, your bathroom. So if you would love to learn more about that, please reach out to me at chalkinwithjen.com. So now once I'm done with this part, I do need to clean up that transfer before I go to the other side, only because I need to be able to see through the screen print to line it up. So in between, all I did was wash it up with water, let it dry for a few seconds, and then I'm just going to go ahead and continue to the other side. But you guys, this turned out absolutely beautiful. So if you'd love to learn more about Chalk Couture, whether you want to be a customer, whether you want to host your own sip and chalk, or if you want to become a designer like myself, please reach out to me at chalkinwithjen.com. And I hope you love this beautiful spring design in full bloom and enjoy the little things. All right, you guys, have a great day.